shit. Can y'all hear me now? I've been talking to myself. Happy Halloween. I've been over here chatting to myself, muted mic. Happy Halloween, family. Welcome in, kings and queens. Danny, Max, Pablo, work. Let's go, baby. Kevin. Happy Halloween, family. Yo, I got some news, and it's not great. I got some news, and it's not stellar. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in, King. Happy spooky season. Guys, we got it. I'm going to show y'all what I mean here. I'm just gonna let y'all know I didn't even see the prelude. I didn't even see the warning. Let's look at this. By the way, never got this warning. And I also have a lot to say about this. Oh, I have a lot to say about this. Daiquiri, welcome in, King. Good morning, family. Got an update for y'all. We are officially probably ending our time with Topstep, family. They did it to you, boy. I never saw the warning, but they put us on the FTP, the Focus Trader program, which is complete fucking bullshit. It is so bullshit. Don't offer people accounts if you can't trade that maximum number of accounts. So what, people with money can't play? Like, it's the fucking dumbest rule ever. This is literally just fear of people that can take money from them. They only give this to people that they think are going to take money from them. It's absolutely fucking a joke. Fuck Topstep. And if we could all avoid them, I would. What does the Focus Trader program even mean? Danny, it literally just limits you. Here, I'll read it real quick just for y'all can see it in case no one else has had this. Starting today on Halloween, you can continue trading any active accounts, which, because we blew them, oh, look at this. Your account has been locked. Please contact support. If you pass combine, you can promote it, but you can only trade one at a time until you bring it to live. You can only trade one little account until you get it to live and then earn 10K in live profits, and then they'll let you get you back to 5 accounts. Absolute fucking bullshit. Don't offer people the ability to trade if you're not going to let them. But we still have the charts, so I'm going to point out some moves for y'all today. We're going to have a good day today. Halloween, have a great time. Maybe to give a giveaway or two for the 1,000 subs that we hit for the family. I was waiting for Pat to get in here so we could give a proper giveaway for the family, but that's probably what we're going to hyper focus on today. I might load up with some TPTs, maybe some so you can't trade today. I don't know, Danny. I think I can buy one account, maybe. Let's try it. Let's just see. Let's just reset at 150 right here, see if it even works. All right, so I got one account. Now let's see if we can get 2. And here's our one little account. Topstep. So we're either going to be trying Pat. Good morning, King. So you can't trade? Wow, bro, that's BS. Yeah, they lost me on this. Me too, Pobby. Absolutely fucking a joke. No, that's the email I was talking about. Did you see the date sent? I just got date. This one sent me to me yesterday. This was literally yesterday, day before Halloween. I never got this warning email. I'm sure it's in there somewhere, but I never saw it. I'm pretty consistent with my emails. So I just think it's a fucking joke. Don't offer your traders the ability to buy accounts if you're locking what they can do with those accounts. All right, another 150. Let's see if we can buy this one. All right, family. So they're letting us buy them. So these are probably our last time. Let's get it. Good morning, Max. Welcome in, King. I got that same email, but it was a warning only. That was last month. Careful, Matrix King. I never even got the email, and it's if you're, which is bullshit. Let's look at this too. You lost 10 simulated accounts each in a single day of trading. No, I didn't. Literally look back at the fucking streams. We consistently will take, like, it's just a joke. Topstep is a joke. They're limiting traders that can make money from them. They literally only want people that have small funds, so they have to consistently keep gambling. It's bullshit. Fuck Topstep. Good morning, Pat. Let's go, family. Good morning. We're gonna give so we're gonna focus on these trades today because it is gonna let us reset them, it looks like. So I'm gonna keep resetting. We're going to get our 5 going. This is probably the last time we're trading with Topstep, family. And then we're going to be trying some new prop firms. People that actually deserve our fucking money. Fuck Topstep. Good morning, Jaleesa. Welcome in, Queen. Happy Halloween, family. All this bullshit aside, it is Halloween. Lots of reasons to be in a great mood today. Market's moving. We're up 1.7% on the NASDAQ, up into the 26,200s. Let's see what we can do here, family. No reason to be down. We can make money without Topstep. Topstep. Boo, Topstep. PTB all the way. Let's go. Take it slow. Yeah, Maxie, we have to. Small size. I know, King. It's so frustrating, but we have to. No activation fees and daily payouts with no cap. TPT, Pat, I'm absolutely going to go to TPT and MFF. My Fund of Futures, TPT, maybe some Lucid because I like Project X. One of those two we'll consider. Are you going to take a profit trader? Are we going to take a profit trader? I think so, Juan. You want to play? I think so, King. First time I think I've seen your name, Chatter. That sucks, bro. Apex? I think so, Almighty. We have a couple options we can play with, but for now, it looks like we have one more try. I think technically 2 tries because if whatever happens with these 150Ks, which by the way, these could bring us live. How about the craziest success story? Our final sets of 150s we bring to a live account. Maybe that should be our focus. And then if that goes out, fuck Topstep forever. I do have these 50Ks that we might be able to try as well, but honestly, I'm so turned off by them now. We'll see. I would copy trade some MFF or TPT. I think you can have 5 each. I appreciate you so much, Pat. I think that's what we're going to run with. MFF, TPT, Apex, maybe Lucid. We have lots of options. I'm on Lucid right now. I just don't like the daily loss limit. What is that, Max? Even though I won't buy as many accounts to get this warning, but wow, insane. It's such bullshit. But the family's in here. Price action ass. I'll protect these accounts. They got like 20% off on them today. Pobby, okay. What's the daily loss limit on MFF? I don't know. We have to fucking learn new rules with new props. Oh, just when we were catching a vibe too. Fuck. All right. Well, damn, I hate this. We have to go so baby now to try to protect these accounts. That's what they want. All right, guys. Well, we're going to go back treating these like a 50K, even though it's a 150K. It's kind of my mindset. I'm going to enter 1 contract, size down most of the time. That's what I'm looking at here, fam. We'll see what happens. What's the daily loss? Let's go. Breakdown, hit that TP. Let's go, Amy. Welcome in, King. No daily loss on core. I love that. For new traders on Funded Next, good luck, Ty. Rooting for you. Dude, I appreciate that. Welcome in, King. Happy Halloween, family. I'm passing 550Ks on MFF. Up 900 today. Let's go, Max. W, King. Great trading. Hey there. Let's get some treats. Partner. Welcome in, King. Welcome in, Richner. For anyone just tapping in, by the way, family, we are now on the FTP program. Complete bullshit. This is probably our relationship coming to an end with Topstep. Or we take these accounts live, and that'll be a little FU statement to them. But we'll see what happens. Either way, we as traders, we're incredibly adaptable. We'll bounce back. We'll find new prop firms, get better rules, whatever. I just appreciate you guys for being here. Let's have a great end to the week. It is Friday vibes. It is spooky season vibes. We're doing the thing. I appreciate you guys for being here. Wait, what happened? Why are you leaving Topstep? Pat, they sent me this email last night, King. Focus Trader Program. Stop clicking on it. For having, which I never even saw this, but because we're blowing accounts essentially in a single trading day is what they're saying, which, by the way, go look at the stream. Some days we take multiple days before blowing. I don't even understand. I don't even agree with this. Just complete bullshit. And then you have to trade only 1 account until you get to live and take 10K in payouts until they'll let you get back to it. So I don't know. We could grind back into it, but I just so turned off by them right now. I'm just going to try some other prop firms. Give some other prop firms our business and our money because fuck Topstep. That's such bullshit. Don't offer people 5 accounts at a time if you're not going to let them trade them without putting them on a restrict. It does not make any sense. There's no logic to it. If we are following your rules, I have your rules. I can only trade a certain amount of accounts. I can only trade a certain percentage each day. I can only do all your bullshit, and you're still going to say we're not doing it right? It's just absolutely a joke. Break even hit next Monday. Absolutely, Amin. Hit 4,500 of my 5 150K accounts, but here to support What's the FTP program? Let's go, Farouk. Congratulations, King. Nice trade on Halloween. The FTP program is just a limit, so you can only trade one account until you get to a live account and take 10K in payouts. So they completely limit you, and it's just dumb, bro. Honestly, I'd recommend putting your stop loss at break even when you up at least 200, but up to you, King. I just feel like it would help. It's not a bad idea, Pobby. It's just tough because usually you got to fight for price, so sometimes you can get saved by a wick or two, but I hear what you're saying. Damn, that's crazy. I know, Pat. Damn, yo, trade your own money to way better. Little personal account work, that could be crazy. Put a couple $100 in, put $1,000 in. I don't know. We'll see. I guess I'll be super careful losing combines now. Haven't lost any in a while, so that's good. Hell yeah, Pat. Be careful, King. Try one mini, risk 50 points per trade. One mini, risk 50 points per trade. So risking $1,000, have 4.5 tries at it. It's not bad, Maxi. I get why they would send that email with too many blown XFAs, but combines is crazy. It's just crazy for combines. Like, are you not allowed to fucking play the game? Like, seriously? Morning, gang. Welcome in, Terp Dirt. Welcome in, Jay. I love the name. Usually Jay, but on this new update, it's Terp Dirt. Agree with FaZe. I'm shocked. Yeah, Pat, that's why I do, but I hate getting stopped out. I think props are the way to go until you have serious capital. Nicer to risk their money, at least for now. I think so too, Pat. I'm going to try some other props. All right, family. Now that this is all out of the way, let's dial in. Let's read the market for a little while, and then we'll get back to it. Next week, we'll probably, or depending on how these go, but soon we're going to be trying some other prop firms. We'll have all the fun and excitement come from that. But let's get dialed in. Let's end the week strong. Let's get paid. Let's get paid. Let's see how we can end this week with some nice little spooky vibes. If they wanted more money, they wouldn't have sent that email. I agree, dude. It doesn't make any sense. Blew my practice account on gold yesterday. Oopsie, but still green on the 50K combines first weekend. Let's go, Richner. Losing is not a problem. Topstep will make it seem like it is. Oh, you can't lose. You have to be perfect. And if you lose too many too quickly, we're going to punish you. It's like, okay, well, then why the fuck are you offering us the ability to trade? Like, what are you doing? Which prop firm are you looking at? There's a couple, Farouk. Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Lucid, Apex, couple options. That will lead to a better win rate and help with the account slowly grow and come back from the stop loss. They sent that to the people that get payouts. They send that to the people that get payouts. I agree, Kevin. It's just kind of wild. You should be a voice actor, LOL. You think so, Danny? I love it. I would. I think that I actually genuinely enjoy a little bit of accents. I have terrible accents, but I think they're fun. I think they're fun as hell. Morning, peeps. Woo! Saucy! Good morning, King. Happy Halloween! Saucy, what's the little man going as? Put him in like a little outfit or something. Make him like Gumball or something. They fuck up, man. They lost Ty. What's worse than losing Patrick? Pablo, you're the best, King. Let's go, baby. Love the support, my man. I downloaded Trezella. Gonna make a playbook with strict entry criteria and rules. Excited to see how it goes. I love that, Pat. Way to find some more discipline. Trezella, shout out to them. Just a nice trading, journaling software that allows you to hyper analyze on your entries and just get more awareness if that's something that you're missing. So he's a little alien from Toy Story. Fucking adorable, dude. I need pics, King. That's adorable. If they offer that account, at least offer a 150 account and not just 50s. I'm shocked that you're gonna let people trade and then you're gonna restrict them like that. Like, the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? We don't need this line. This line in our sand with our short line from yesterday. Overnight ended up pushing through it, so now maybe bullish on gold from here. I don't even want to trade gold with fucking. We're restricted, family. They're trying to hold us down. Hey, all right, Saucy. Thank you, Bubba. Good morning, Pat. Missed you yesterday, dude. For sure missed you yesterday, Pat. We got to give a giveaway. We got to give some type of giveaway for 1,000 subs. The family's growing. I appreciate you guys so much. Stopping in every single day, showing love, showing support, helping each other in the community, getting better at trading, sharing vibes. This is a community that I literally I'm just so grateful to be a part of. So thank you guys. We're going to do some type of giveaways, maybe a few accounts. I don't even know what to give away. Definitely not going to be Topstep accounts. So give some giveaways at the end of the stream. By the way, sorry I wasn't here the past 2 days. I was celebrating our 2-year anniversary. Hey, never apologize for celebrating love, King. Congratulations. It's amazing. I love it, Pobby. You deserve the blessings. No Topstep giveaway. No, Danny. No, we're running away from Topstep. We're gonna pout. We're gonna show up on their doorstep and just be like, long NQ now. Almighty, you love it, eh? Dipping into yesterday's range. I don't know if I want to buy it yet. Trying to hold these 100s, but getting a little deeper into there. It's not a bad play. Maybe if gold holds the VWAP, I wouldn't mind trading along there as well. Interessante. I'd still keep Topstep, bro, and treat it like a live account and try to grow. You think we should do one account? You think we should do the one account, Pat, and try to get to a live and then try to... I don't fucking know, man. That's so agonizing and so slow and just unrewarding. Like we like after everything I've given them, like fuck that, dude. They shouldn't. It's just annoying. Maybe, Pat. Maybe I'm just being a little pouty baby about it. Maybe I'll give them a go. Maybe I'll just try to get that one account. But I can't. Right now I just want to give them a big ol'. Oh, I'm angry. I cut loss quick. Let's go, Almighty. Hope it works out for you, King. We're holding this price now. First 15-minute range, family. I've been all distracted ranting about Topstep. Let's get this drawn out for us so we can be aligned with the markets. Here's our 15 minutes. Pushing through there with that next sell volume. Pushing through the bottom here. See what happens. Gold kind of going sideways. Trying to maintain this VWAP. I could like this for a little push. Kind of looks like it wants to hold the VWAP here. Let's try and do it Ride the wheel, ride till the wheels fall off. It feels like they're off, Bobby, but I will. Fuck they gonna do? Just use their friend's account. Let's get ready today. The goal is 40 likes. Let's finish the week strong. 40 likes on Halloween. It's feeling spooky. Yo, if y'all have not yet, hit the like button. Saucy just gave us a goal for 40 on the spooky day. If you're not subscribed yet, join this family. If you're not in this conversation, what are you doing? We're here. We're getting better every single day. And now we're going to be doing it away from Topstep. I mean, I agree. I don't like how they did that, but eventually trading needs to be somewhat boring when building an equity curve. It does. You're not wrong, King. So, you're not wrong. And that's obviously what they're trying to force, but I just don't agree with the fact that you're going to give us a limitation. So, you're already going to stop how many accounts we can use. You're going to stop all the shit. You're going to put all these rules into place. I'm playing by your rules, and then you're like, you're playing too fast. What the fuck? Then give us a rule for speed. Like, you do not have a rule that says I can't blow in a single day. It's just fucking real, honestly. Oh, I can't trade. I can't have leverage. Like, it just doesn't even make any sense. Long on gold. Danny, I'm also looking for a long on gold. I'm going to buy a long on gold as well, Queen. I'm buying possibly in at these 31s. I got to be careful because these are, you can't blow too quickly. You for sure can long gold right now. I love it work. I'm trying to, King. I like to support at the VWAP. Just going to get a little tap in here. Give us a little taparoo. A little tappy. A little taparoni and cheese. Things I just did to my toilet. That's spooky on. Oh, hey, what's up? Yeah, Savi. Good morning, King. Hey, we just got tapped into our gold long. Stops are going to be below this swing high. I guess really shouldn't be risking $500 because we only have one attempt. Fucking Topstep, man. Stops are going to be down here, $500. See what happens. Sobs, welcome in, King. Thanks for the good laugh. Happy holidays. Happy spooky season. By the way, Sobs, you're probably just here to this. we got the can, buddy. We're on the FTP program. So this is probably one of our last big attempts with Toppy. Maybe not, though. We'll see. Agree absolutely, man. They did that. All they did was slow you down. That's it. Pat. Got it in the VWAP. Let's go, Danny. Nice entry. VWAP was definitely safer here. We're below. Let's hope we can get a push. Gold upside target still looking pretty weak in my opinion. Okay, dude. I like that. Check your text tag. Hopefully you're not right. Hopefully that would be right. Oh, family. What a day, huh? What a new day. What a new opportunity. I appreciate you guys for being here, though. Spending the Halloween together on these charts. Looks like we're about to get a spooky little stop out. Sadly, no respect at the VWAP there. Probably should be below this swing low, but can't do it. Can't do it. Who are you going to switch to? Terp, I think we're going to use either TPT, maybe MFF, maybe Apex. Probably all the above. I don't know. What's the drama I missed? Did Topstep do something? Yeah, Sobs. They gave us the can, bub. They gave us the big old boot. I got stopped out of our gold long there as well, family. At NASDAQ trying to hold the bottom of the 15-minute range and push back up into the 100s, holding the 100 hold number. Kind of want to see this press up as well. They gave us the trading focus program, Sobs, so we can only trade one account now, which is fucking dumb. We're boycotting them and moving on. Laugh my ass off. K about the health insurance, the CL. Yo, Deontay, welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Good morning. Happy spooky season. How much capital do you think you need to trade your own account? I feel like prop firms rules, they limit you. Honestly, I've seen a thing. I don't remember which exchange it is, but you can put like $300 in and trade one mini on the NASDAQ. So it goes pretty quickly. You only have those 15 points, but that's already what we trade. So I was interested. Maybe put $1,000 in a personal account. Have some attempts at it to try to grow it. I don't know. It's really hard to grow personal accounts, though. What up, Pimp? What up, Karma? Welcome in, King. Happy Halloween, family. Yo, we have a goal today. 40 likes for the Halloween. There's 40 people in here. If everyone just hit that little thumbs up, we can hit our goal. I appreciate you guys. Let's have a great day. End the week strong. Spooky season. Wow, made the 1500 on 5 on the MFF. Let's go, Maxi. Good trading, King. What'd you grab? What'd you grab there? I'm done for the day. You gotta be. Way to lock that in. Why did they boot y'all? For trading too fast, I guess, Karma. It's absolutely bullshit. They give you they let you trade 5 accounts at a time. They restrict what you can do in each account, and then will still limit you if you get in and out if you're done too quickly. Like, I don't know. What you mean they laying people off? LOL. Wait, I have no clue what that is. I'll show you in a second, Sobs. Hey, bro, what's up? What's up, Abby? Welcome in, King. Let's go, baby. Happy Halloween. Trade of 8. Insane. Shorts on NQ. You're shorting that NQ, that push down. Nice job, King. Is that still where we're looking? It feels like we are. Maybe previous day low at this point. Let's be a little bit more patient here. See what happens for a nice setup. Getting us some opportunities. I want to put 80K on my mom gave me and 20 minis on the NQ. I want to put 80K my mom gave me and 20 minis on NQ. Pablo. Might as well just go put it all on black, bub. Let's go put it all on black. Happy Halloween, my God. Let's go, Abby. Are you going to change to any other prop firms? I think so, CSE. Apex, so we can try 20 accounts, see what that goes. Maybe MFF, My Funded Futures. Maybe TPT. Why do they care about how you're spending your money? Seems weird. Exactly, Sobs. Exactly, Sobs. Yeah, that was, was really clear shorts. I agree. Starting to hold a little bit of this bottom here. Kind of want to take a long at this attempt at the pushing through the range and holding. Kind of want to find a little bit of a reaction here on the NASDAQ. Just using 5 micros. I love it. Pat. Trade of 8 is good, but the leverage is leverage a good saying for 300. You get 1 mini LOL. Trade of 8 is good, but the leverage a good saying for 300. You get 1 mini LOL. That's not bad at all, Pobby. Is that trade of 8? I might have to give them a swing. Wow, what happened to their top steps, sir? Tradeify has Project X also. Ooh, okay, Kevin. I not know that. Tradeify might be our play then, family. What, Pat? Pat's got the blue. Max, what did you target? What was clearly short, but no clear target point. Could have retraced at any time, no? Max, what did you target? Was clearly short, but what was your target? Probably below overnight low here. If he shorted anywhere up and around here, he's probably targeting overnight low. Easiest clean target. He also has 5-minute. I would only advise starting a live account with 10K, nothing less. W advice, Maxi. I probably am just gonna avoid that. Probably get some more payouts before we try to go live. I think it's just a bigger risk. Bull Knox 2, I believe. Bull Knox for the where you can trade with small leverage, Danny. I like that. NQW bullish, 4-hour neutral bearish, 1-hour bearish, 30-minute bearish, 5-minute bearish. So lots of bearish candles, but then NQ is looking bullish. It'll be interesting to see what happens there, Pat. So for 5 minutes, you would need a 1500 with them with a personal account. Kind of tempting. GC looking pretty good now. I don't know. We got below the VWAP there. We did held this line in the sand, which I did want to see buyers defend, but we still got to get back above there with some excitement before I'm into it. If we chop inside the IB range, initial balance range all day again, I'm uninstalling NQ, bringing it back to the store. I'm returning it. Just don't even need it anymore. Bull Knox is trailing drawdown, which is not great if you like holding trades, which I love holding a good old trade, so that might not work for us either. Although I think we're going to have to try some new strategies, family. At the end of the day, we're good traders. We got to be adaptable. Apex has a trailing drawdown too, so if we start trying them, we got to just get in with in and outs, little snipes, little scalps. Thank you for making me a moderator, bro. Blessed to be a part of the community and to have you guys in my life. Pat, well-deserved, King. You've been around since the beginning, showing so much love and support to everybody that joins, always having great vibes, always trying to just provide insight and value. More than deserved, King. More than deserved, King. Welcome home, bub. I got out of the exact low. It was support on the 5-minute Bollinger support. Those Bollingers, Maxi's sniper with those. He can find the levels really clean. Much deserved, Pat. We love your positivity, man. Exactly, Saucy. No doubt about it. What happened to Topstep, sir? Why are you changing? Can you tell it? Can you tell it, please? CIC. So I got their email yesterday, King. Right here. It's called, which apparently they sent a warning a couple weeks ago. I never saw the warning, but it's called a Focus Trader Program, which essentially is limiting how much you can trade. You can only trade one account. So starting today, you're only one account limit. Once all your current accounts are closed, you will be limited to one active account across the entire Topstep program. That includes combines, XFAs, and lives. When you once you at least 6 months demonstrate good habits and reach a live account with one account and 10 payouts, then they'll reinstate you. So it's just a bullshit program. Instead of being able to trade 5, I can only trade 1, and you have to just do it for 6 months. I don't know. W Pat, exactly, Matrix. Let's go, baby. W Patrick, W Mod. Let's go, my dude. NQ might pop. Trying to hold the bottom of the 15-minute range here. Gold tapped into yesterday's buy spot. Trying to hold the VWAP. One day I'm gonna get it. Yes, sir. Work. You're next, King. No, I don't trade ICT. How many contracts, dude, do you go in with? What do you trade? 25 micros, 5 on each account. Sheesh. My own strategy, bro. Type she. Nice, Pat. Let's go, Danny. Showing love to the Pat. Well deserved. Yo, bro, can you just make another Topstep account? Yo, but can't you just make another Topstep account? I don't think so, subs. Because I think you have to put your... You have to sign up with your social security or no? I think you have to sign up with your social security. I could use like my friends' accounts, but I don't think I can do my own. I think they have that. Yo, what the hell type of rules is that? Keith, it's dumb as shit, man. Welcome in, though, King. Keith Been here since the beginning too, family. Thank you for the congrats, man. It means the most. You're part of the greatest community. Like, can't you just sign up as Styler Cam? Oh, shit. I think they know your IP. It's your IP or your... Yeah, okay, yeah. I knew it was something. I didn't know what it was, but I know they have some way to know who it is. I tried to do that with Topstep a year ago. They almost banned me for it. Trying a different account. Yeah, okay, Maxi. Appreciate it. So probably not the insight. All right, Gold. What the fuck was that? Why did we have to dip through the VWAP there just to go back up to the VWAP now? No, what the fuck was that? Danny, are you still in this position? I think I'm going to try another entry at the VWAP again. Held yesterday's buy zone. They just had to dip in a little too aggressively for me there. Limit buy. We're going to get a gold potential back around the VWAP here. Looking for a 29 fill. It's a little higher than I'd like, but I probably am going to get rejected from the net from gold. LOL. So you cannot activate the top five, the 5 accounts you're trading currently if you pass. Holy shit, I didn't even think of that. Rob, I don't think so. I think I can trade these one more time. I think the accounts that I have, because these were technically active, so if you go to your dashboard, I have these accounts and I have these as well. So technically these are active, so I don't think I'm actually into this program until right here. Once all your current accounts are closed. So because I still have these, it's still letting me trade them. But once those are gone, we're back to one account, and then I'm probably going to be changing from Topstep. I'm still in those gold longs from yesterday that I sent you. Let's go. Looking for the 180s. I love it, King. What was your fill like? 23? Is that what it was, Maxi? Woke up, minus 2,000 by 5. Hey, King. It's okay, Bubba. Your fill is 27.3. Okay. So you're up now, King. Let's go, baby. To the 180s. To the 180s, Maxi. Let's go. Robble, I appreciate the question, though, King. Welcome to the chat. Oh, that's true. What if he passes his accounts? I think I can activate him, but probably not. Topstep will probably give me some bullshit, and then I don't know, because I'll be pissed. I just gave him $750 to get these 5 back, so this better be our final attempt with him. They better let me activate these for fucking $150. Was up almost 12K at one point, and she's going to go back up there, King. MFF News, 59 core accounts. Hey, I like that. MFF, TPT, Apex, Lucid. We got a couple options we're going to go with, family. Yo, there's 37 amazing people here watching. We have a goal for 40 likes today for Halloween. Happy Halloween. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween. Y'all know where that's from. WU. Hit the like button. Join this family. That drop after the beat break even hit, LOL. It's the worst feeling. It's the worst feeling, I mean. Got stopped out of our gold long here just to find the direction. Painful. Painful. I think MFF is the news wave, to be honest. Is the new wave, to be honest. Let's go. Topstep is lacking. I agree. Topstep really fucking up with this. Like, you really... I would have sat here on the internet and just kept talking good shit about them. And now I'm going to sit here and just talk mad shit about them. They changed my life? Not really. I mean, sure, I'm up like 40, 50K from them. It's good, but... it's not life-changing, and they shouldn't be able to limit you the way you, I don't know. Fuck Topstep. I'm still annoyed. Why can't we just start our own prop firm? Hey, let's call it the royalty, the kings and queens. Call it the royalty prop. Only kings and queens can trade it in there. No activation too. Ooh, I didn't know they didn't have an activation. Nice push on gold. Really nice push on gold, baby. All for you, Maxi, to the 180s, King. I wanted to get the fill at the VWAP. We got kicked out of it, of course, but still want to see it push. Up 6K now. How quick did that rotate? Dang it. Sucks because they might do zero activation before Thanksgiving. Tyler, why you do personal account? You think I should do it personal, I mean? It's just a little bit harder, King. A little bit more risk. Could put a lot more money up to risk rather than if we just find some prop firms to trade their money. On Topstep, so that sucks to get the boot. Damn, it sucks because they might do zero activation fee before Thanksgiving. You're so right, King. I forgot about that. Oh, I want to fucking... I hate them. I hate them right now. So annoying. Stick with firm, less risk. I agree, Kev. Mar! It's been a while, King. Welcome in, baby. Happy Halloween, King. Mar, by the way, bro, we just got the boot on Topstep, so we're moving on from them. We got the boot. I think if we got a good pullback on NQ into the 15-minute range, sells might still be in. If we tickle down to the 950s and react, buys could come in. I like that. Pull back into the bottom of the range. The sellers are still clearly in control right now. From opening print candle up at the 200s, we've just found selling. Just found some selling since opening print candle here. VWAP is looking like it's kind of curling down pretty aggressively. We still have some downside we could target. Let's put the hourly chart on so I can get a view. Still want a long gold if we get a nice pullback. Here's the hourly on NQ. Feels like we could find some support around the, well, really around here, or we're going to keep getting some heavy selling. So let's see what we got there. We wanted the long on gold, never got an opportunity. 100 likes, hurry. 100 likes. Hope you're trading well today, Mar. NQ drops, like I said, I think it will slow down as chop now. I think it will slow down and chop now. Maybe, Maxi. Hope not, but we'll see what happens with it. I just got here. Why did Topstep kick you out? Vaughn, welcome in, King. Welcome to the chat. They kicked us out, King, because of the Focus Trader program, where you're only allowed to trade, basically. If you want to trade with Topstep, do not trade 5 accounts at once. And if you're going to do that, don't blow them within a quick period, because it says right here we blew them in a single trading day. That is not even true. Go back and watch the streams. Yes, we will lose an account in a day, which I guess is maybe their point, but it takes a couple days to even build before I lose. Like, I don't know. It's bullshit. I just disagree with this. You already give traders so many restrictions. Limit how much they can trade, limit their consistency rule, limit all this shit, how many contracts, like all this, and then you're going to be decisive on how fast or not we can trade. It's just weird. Hope you're doing good, brother, man. It gets tough from the time to time. The importance is just being able to have the continuation on a day-to-day basis. Consistency is king, Mar. No doubt about it, King. Consistency, awareness, resilience, discipline, simplicity, cards. You guys master that, you'll master trading, I promise. Just blew an Express account. Should I go back to funded or combine? It's 500 for back to funded. Hey, Almighty, I don't like their back to funded. I think it's overpriced. I think you're more better off to just start with the combines again, King. But don't stress out, Ty. You got this, King. One step back will bounce you 2 steps forward. I love the mindset, Pobby. Let's go, King. You're right. Never down. We're adaptable. Professional traders. We can swing, turn on a dime. It just right now is a little unfortunate. NASDAQ touching into the 60s, pulling back into the bottom of the 50-minute range here. I still like the shorts, I think, Pat. I think you're right about that, King. I think we got to wait a little higher, maybe towards this 50%. Find some short options. I'm actually going to put an order up here to see if we can get a push. Still looking for a long on gold as well. But we got to be patient now with our entries, guys, so I can't just hyper get in anymore. Boring. We have to be so patient now. We have to be so suspicious. If gold not make new high and reacts in the zone, then should see a reversal to the downside. You think so, huh? Even though we held this nice line in the sand from yesterday, we got above VWAP, try to push through. Buyers reclaim the VWAP. I'm going to take a long at the 35s, give it a go, see what happens. Gee, stepped away and gold went without me. Yeah, Danny, it was tough. Literally, I got in on this pullback here. It dips down one more candle and then starts moving up to our side, so. Take profit, count your days. Exactly, TLR. Let's go, King. We're coming for all these props money now. TP, MFF, Apex. You guys better watch your bank accounts. We coming. Blew all my XFAs. One more left to go. You got this shit, Matrix. One account is plenty, King. You can get that payout. And then guess what? You already did. You already paid for these anyway. So you're already ahead of the game, King. Yes, be a sniper, bro. Looks for great entries. Let price come to us. Let's plan it. Exactly, King. I'm looking for a long right now on gold, pulling back in towards this bottom. Probably a little higher than I'd like, but also not really. This is pretty much what I want to get. And I'm going to have my stops below the VWAP again. So do your thing, BBG. Come on. Let's go, Pat. I love the mindset. Love the discipline. Yo, I don't know how many likes we're at, family, but we have a goal for this spooky day for 40. If you haven't yet, consider dropping a little like button. Show some love. Easy way to support the stream. And if you're watching and you're not subscribed, you're being weird, which is the best community around. Hop in here. Become a part of it. Smashing it. 24 is crazy. Only 16 to go. Y'all are unreal. And then once we hit our 40, we'll do maybe some giveaways. Give a couple accounts away for hitting 1,000 subs. The community is growing so fucking fast. I want to give back to you guys. It's only possible because of you guys. Not Topstep. Fuck Topstep. Not giving any Topstep accounts away. NASDAQ holding this bottom, trying to push back in the 15-minute range now. A little rejection off the intro and after tapping into it there. So we'll see what happens. So far, your analysis is playing out pretty solid, Pat. We're looking for a long on gold in around the 31s or 35s actually. No, 31. The EMA is to 35. Looks like it's turning at us a little bit. I'm gonna come in. Yeah, I still want this. I still want it. I want it. I'm long in NQ with the 104s. Careful, King. We're rejecting the bottom of this 15-minute range here. So if we can't get back up and above it like we're trying to, we're probably going to see a little bit more downside potentially. Just be careful. Have tight stops. Have tight stops on that one, Deontay. Very happy today. Up 400 account locked. Way to lock it in. Let's go, Kev. Don't got to be crazy on a Halloween. That's the thing. Treats come in all different packages. You got to just take what we get. I love it. Would not recommend longs on NQ right now. I also would not personally recommend longs on NQ, so I'm looking for shorts, but everyone has their own strategies. See what happens. Don't listen to me, though. Exactly, Maxie. Hey, we just see what we see, and if it doesn't play out, doesn't play out. Trying to get tapped into our long gold here again, potentially. There it is. Risking our 300 bucks would be just below this swing high. I'm going to go a little bit deeper than the VWAP. I want to get a little bit more range there. See if the VWAP can actually show us some support. On gold, looking to see this push up. Amy said it might go down, so we'll see. The 100 should hold for more down. On NQ, I agree. If we can't get above the 100s, it's looking like we're finding some sellers there. You'd be interested in the 950s held and reacted. I like that. The 95s. $950s. I like that idea, Pat. Somewhere down around this range. Yesterday's bottom. Start getting some direction into there. I still want to find some shorts on the an NQ. We just got to find a position where it makes sense to do it. Ooh, Ty in the same boat as me. Praying for us, LOL. Got to. We got to, King. NASDAQ trying to find a little bit of support here at the bottom of the range. We'll see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's get a little pushy push, huh? Just a little bit of support over here on the gold. A little bit, nothing crazy. And then NASDAQ, you can do what you want to do. We'll participate. We'll find a nice trade with you as well. Hey. Get it because I'm 25, so I'm probably not going to go out for tonight for Halloween, but I think I want to. Just kind of like, I don't have any costume, but just, you know, and also none of my friends are going out, so it's like, it's kind of hard, but man, go have some fun tonight, family. Celebrate. What is the point of life if we're not enjoying it a little bit? You know what I'm saying? I'm risking 50K on the gold trade. Absolutely fucking amazing, though. To even have that ability, King. King. To even have that ability to do that is a king move. I might close it in the profit soon and reopen it after the weekend. I don't think it's a terrible idea, King. See what today plays out. Let's see what today plays out. Starting to find a little bit of support at our price. We got to get above this EMA. Otherwise, it's all for naught. Yeah, but tonight, wife making you're making pho? You're getting pho? Kev? She making enough for the whole family? She making enough for the community over here or what? Gonna drive to a rich neighborhood so I get that king size candy. Let's go. Only way to do it, Ninja. Now we're talking about the only way to actually do that. Get those rich candy bars, the extra diabetes. Danny, where are you from? She's from the Netherlands. Actually, she's in Germany, actually, I think, right? Dang. We don't celebrate Halloween here if you do all in the States. We celebrate it here because we're diabetic, Danny. We're sugar-addicted weirdos. So we want to put sugar in our medicine. You know what I mean? So, yeah, a day to celebrate candy. We're going to jump on that. All right, King. I'm up 1K on the last account. Eligible for a payout, but we'll request it next week. I'm going to head back to sleep. Hey, and reflect on the balloon accounts. No worries, King. Head up. It's another day. Happy Halloween, man. I hope you enjoy the rest of your night. Way to enjoy the week. Way to end the week strong, though. I know a couple accounts going away feels bad, but you're right there, King. Head up. W Matrix. We're having candy salad tonight. Got to. Don't let your daughter have that, but for you, it's okay. Hey, Maxie. Yes, taking orders. Laugh my ass off. We'll ship out, brother, soon. We'll ship out broth. Let's go. Put me down for 2, please, sir. Please, sir, can I have some more? Happy Halloween to overseas folks. Let's go, Pat. I swear I got to start taking bigger size on gold so I can pass these evals faster. Not always, King. If you do that, you might get the trader program for trading too quickly. So be cautious, Ninja. But I agree. Size is nice. Going to Walmart tonight to cop some discounted candy in bulk. See, that is logic. That's the only thing. I mean, that only makes sense. Post-Halloween, everything's on a little cheaper. Go ahead and just load the cupboards with diabetes. I love it. Love it, Jay. That's how you actually be. You're thinking ahead. That's what you're doing. You're planning ahead. Ty, you got to watch Nightmare Before Christmas this Halloween. That is my favorite shit. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Come on, Pumpkin Jack. Absolutely, Pobby. I'm closing that gold trade here. 4,800. Let's go, Maxie. No need to be crazy. No need to be crazy. Does that mean you think that we're stopping here, Bob? Does that mean you think the fun's ending now? Reopen next weekend, though. That's what I want to see. I want to see you get back in there. 180s or nothing. We got to get back into those 180s. Does that mean you think the upside's limited today, King? I'm hoping to see a push here. I cannot believe we are now. Hey, you got to grow. If Topstep is kicking us out of the nest, they're just forcing us to grow. We're going to get better without them. No, I'm scared for the Friday chop. Come on, baby. Scared money don't make money. No, I get it, though, King. Protect your account. You're up on the trade. No reason. Reopen Monday. See what happens. Maybe get a lower fill on Monday. Exactly. That'd be nice. Ty, put break even. I'm going to put break even on. I will, Pobby. I think because it's gold, and I don't want to see this bottom really get retested before breaking through this high. So I think it's a fair save. Good day, King. How is the market swinging today? Good morning, newbie. Welcome in, Queen. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. This is Halloween. Charts are okay. We're up a little bit on this, but not really. And actually, newbie, I got some bad news, Queen. Check this out. Hi, Tyler. At Topstep, our mission is to help traders succeed, not only in simulated markets, but also to prepare them for trading live markets with real money at stake. Yeah, okay, guys. If you were, you wouldn't fucking limit us. But since you have blown 10 in simulated accounts after warning you, we are putting you in the FTP program. Bullshit. Fuck Topstep. So yeah, newbie, as you can see, I'm a little upset about that. But it's Halloween, so the vibes are just too high. Can't let them keep our spirits down. Spirits are out tonight. Yeah, I think 5 points on gold is a good spot to break even. I like it. I like it, Pobby. I mean, Maxie. I want you to keep this account. It's our last attempt. It's our last attempt to riches. Laugh my ass off. I'm still in on NQ on a. You're still on that long on NQ? Good luck, King. I'll put your break even on soon if you can. I do like that we're holding a flat price here. I like that a lot for you. Only thing I don't like for the longs here is that we're really getting a lot of suppression. And then if we do get the pump, which I think we could get a pump here, King. And once we do, you should put your break even on. But I just don't know if we're going to have much range past these 150s, past this VWAP. It's kind of what I'm looking for, a short continuation. We'll see what happens, though. Good trading either way, Deontay. Have a plan, King. It's because you made a ton of money and was sending a little bit. But that's part of the game with firms. sending a little bit. We've been, I mean, no more than I did to get there, right, Pat? Like, I mean, look, we trade 5 accounts at a time. We either pass or we don't, and we just try again next day with the same limitations. Like, I don't think I was risking more or leveraging more than I did to get to throughout the whole year that I've been trading. I mean, I try to be really consistent. Yes, sometimes I guess we leverage a little bit. Sure, I've had fucking 140 episodes of this. So yeah, sometimes we will size up a little bit more than we should and blow. But overall, we've been consistent, predictable. Fuck Topstep, man. I just think it's bullshit. I'm gonna cry if it touches the Max. I'm not gonna lie. If he hits the 180s right now, King, I might cry for you. Wait, what? You can only have 1 account at a time now? Yeah, newbie. Yes, newbie. They killed us, Queen. They took the fire out of take the wind out of our fire. Took the wind out of our sails. You no longer have any more active accounts. Focus on 1 account at a time for at least 6 months. And once you reach live with 10K, we'll change our mind. Bleh. Yeah, nope. You guys aren't getting my money anymore, and other prop firms are gonna get my money. I'd go for a live account with them and work other firms. It seems like they're letting copy the 150Ks. They're letting me trade these 150s right now only because I still had some active accounts. But once I try these, say I pass them, so that's fair. I'll have these until we bust, I think, potentially. So once I activate XFA, then they're on the Jeopardy. They got scared. They don't want you to get any more max payouts. I know, newbie. Trying to keep a dog down. You trade gold at futures at CFDs. Yeah, don't mean it in a bad way. You did great, but with props, there's always some level of sending it. Absolutely. It's not real money, so we're a lot more likely to do it. I hear what you're saying, King. Never assume you're saying anything bad. No worries, King. We just got stopped for break even there on their gold. There you go, Maxi. It was a good exit, King. They got scared when you got that 150K accounts again. They said, fuck that. He's going to get another max payout. TLR, they want to keep a dog down. Wow, I didn't hear that earlier as I had to mute. No worries, Jaleesa. It's painful, though, Queen. I'm out, LOL. Hope you got a break even on that, kid. Starting to find some rejection. Buyers really unable to look at the sideways price action. Unable to push into the bottom of the 50-minute range. Just finding some rejection there. For those who aren't rich like Cam, my funded has the best sale right now. $59 for a funded account. No activation. I am getting that. Let's go. MFF, Space Ninja, appreciate it. Everybody consider them. It's going to be MFF, Take Profit Trader, Apex, or Lucid. We're going to mess around with those. Try to get more payouts. Maybe go personal. I don't like Topstep. I think it's a joke. I trade 5 TPT Pro plus 5 accounts. So sexy, Max. Yeah, long and NQ is crazy at any point just because of the big old that. That is for sure a thing that can happen. Took that short from the 50 EMA on Nazi. Let's go, Queen. Nice little dump there. Break even and ride. I love it. Maxi. Oh, shit. Either way, guys, vibes are immaculate. I appreciate you guys for spending the morning here. Happy Halloween. They're trying to keep us down, but we gonna bounce back. Either gonna take these accounts to a live just to spite them. Just take a live account just to spite them. Or they don't get any more of our money. So, but they will be back. They will let Patrick buy 200 accounts a day before he got the boot as well. LOL, fuck them. Exactly, Pobby. They're just looking out for themselves, and you know what? You have to respect it. I know they help a lot of people, so if other people can benefit from them, let it. But for us, I think our time may be over there. But I have a 20K buffer on all 5. So dope. Dunka. They knew you were about to print with the 150s. They hate the 150s in gold. That little combination, Kevin, scared them, huh? They're like, 150s in gold? They're like, yeah, no, we got to get this kid. We got to stop this kid. He's looking outrageous. We got to slow this kid down. So if you don't keep trading one account for 6 months and make it to live, you just can't trade there again with more than one account. Yeah, you can only trade one account. You have to trade one account, get for 6 months, get to a live account, with the live account to get 10K in payouts, and then they'll reinstate your account. Fucking joke. I think it's a joke. I also think it's a joke to come get our stop out right here and then find the return on the gold here. Feeling a little bit of bully. Got stopped out just for the move to keep playing there. A little bit of sussy. That's so frustrating too, guys, because I've gone. Yes, we blow accounts sometimes in first day, of no doubt. But not every time. Like, what the fuck are we talking about, Topstep? You can't control us. Y'all speaking Dutch, I think it's the coolest shit. It's interesting how we can see some similar words, like kan ik van je ak met chaden dam kero. Dude, forgive me, guys. I'm just trying to read this in English. Zal binnenkort wel in paar video's maken o live ganovs. How is that, guys? Is that terrible? I think I saw some. I can like read a little bit of it. After 30 pushes, up 400 points at opening. Bell and gold was daily dallying. I'm gonna focus on her. You're focusing on the gold after she dilly dallying, pushing past the 400 points. I don't know, Eli. I like it, King. I like it. You know what you're doing. You'll find the snipes. NASDAQ. Wow, actually, really interesting little recovery here. Really interesting little recovery here. Completely reclose this little gap. I'm going to try one on NASDAQ here. Call me crazy. Actually, no, I still want to find the shorts. I just want to find the shorts. I can't long the NASDAQ. It's gross. I noticed that. That's terrible. Sorry, bro. That's indeed terrible. Damn it. So I'm not Dutch. Okay. I'll take that one. I'm not Dutch. That was yesterday, US 30. Gold had an unexpected push in the Sydney. She's playing games. She's kind of playing games, chopping like you said. Max said it might chop and it's chopping. That's really too much. They're just hoping you quit because you've gotten good payouts and are net positive on them. The net negative won't get that email so fast. Exactly, newbie. And I think that that's bullshit. Net negative people will not get that email like that, and I think that is absolutely bullshit. To the person that mentioned my funded, I'm looking on their site. I can't find the account you're referring to. Daiquiri, MFF, quite a few people have mentioned it, but I think it's an add-on, right? It's a little add-on for the certain account, I think, right? Can we get 12 more likes? Can we get 12 more likes? Yo, we have a goal today, family, for the spooky day Halloween vibes. Can we get 40 likes? We're at 28. We need 12 more. If y'all are watching, finding any value, and you're not liking, not subscribing, join this community up. Easy way to get better at trading is to join like-minded people. We ranging on an NQ right now, very much just going sideways, Pat. Going sideways on gold and NASDAQ. Trying to push in the bottom, but nothing's really happening. Dana gave it right to him straight, no doubt. What y'all talking about? Eli, they're talking about MFF accounts, as long as we're aligned. I don't know. A lot of conversations going on right now. Yeah, I think I would recommend all you to enjoy Halloween. It's going to chop, LOL. I think Max is correct, too. We're not going to spend too much more time. We're going to spend a little bit. I see now the devil's coming. I'm like, I just want to make my $400 back, but I'm not going to. We have a long time with these accounts. We're going to bring these accounts to alive, so we're going to treat them different. Drop the likes, family. Let's go, Pat. Turn it up, baby. Halloween. Halloween. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. 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 Nightmare Before Christmas. Fantastic movie. Jack the Pumpkin King. The 15 level is holding up. Big resistance. Absolutely. Big flat line, Danny. Cannot get through there. I think through there, we're going to see a nice little momentum pop. Still holding the EMA. And we did invert this little gap here. So this big sell candle, we completely flipped over. A little bit interesting. I kind of want to see a little bit of a buy push. But I don't know. Right now, the buyers have nothing going on. YM chop to nice range to scalp, though. Everything seems to be ranging. Eli, gold. YM, NQ. Take those little snipes like you're good at, King. You're the little snipe scalper. Spooky session. My girlfriend wants to try Halloween recipes, so it's going to be amazing Halloween. I love it, King. Enjoy the time. That is one of my favorite things to do. Just baking, cooking, enjoying recipes around the holidays, spending time with the loved ones. Make sure you remove that order before you leave, Ty. You're the king, Maxie. Absolutely. I'm going to leave it on just for a little bit more, just see if we get a little pump up into there, but I'm not sure we will. I'm not sure we will. I appreciate the insight, though, because that is absolutely going to have to go if we don't take any trades. I'm excited. You got to be, Poppy. What are you guys making? 30 likes so far? Nice. Let's go, Danny, because y'all are the best. That's why. I love the singing. Let's go, Jalisa. I love it, too, Queen. I love it, too. Soon we'll be, like, singing Christmas songs and shit. Can't do it yet, but soon we'll be singing all the Christmas tunes. NQ dropped to the 980s. Get down there for the king. Get down there for the guy one time. I'd love to see it, Sobs. Buying 5 150k's on Monday, trading YM. Careful, Eli. They will ban you potentially, King. They're like, hey, you're too successful. You're gonna make money, and I don't want to see that. So we're gonna put you to one account, and you can only make 10 grand. And then once you make 10 grand, we're gonna let you try to make more money again. Yeah, okay, you fucking Topstep. Flush them down the toilet. Nice trending on gold 1 hour. Starting to find a little bit of a trend, but also not able to keep maintaining this VWAP, so that's not really bullish for me. Buyers have been unable to hold this price. EMA. Excuse me. EMA offering its story. Finally pushing through these 15s on the NASDAQ. Getting up in towards these 20s now. We have an order for a short around the 48s. May not get filled. We'll see what happens. Did we see more sellers now in gold or just buyers hold? We're going to find out, Amin. I want to see the buyers. I do want to see them hold the VWAP and push, but we'll see. Right now, it's really indecisive. Y'all watching any funny, scary movies? Ooh, let us know. What y'all got? It's not Nightmare Before Christmas, and it's not the Halloween movies. Maybe the Scream movies. Maybe scary movies, which are actually hilarious. Next week, Topstep gonna go crazy. So many news. Next week, we're gonna go crazy. So many news. Let's go work. I'm excited for it, King. And as gold actually holding through to this VWAP, see what happens there. How many points do you go for on gold? I don't know, Eli. I'm still learning it. I usually like to push to swings to ranges. So if I was along this, I'd be swinging for this 50s. Just looking for swings. But everyone's got their own style. NASDAQ and gold is just fucking around right now. It really is. Back and forth, back and forth. Chop, chop, chop. Friday chop, Halloween chop. Max said it could happen. Going to see the Black Phone 2 in the cinema tonight. Black Phone 2. I haven't even heard of the trailer for that, Danny. What is that? Interesting. Hope you have a great time. Sounds fun, Queen. I love a movie session. She got this cookbook that is filled with like recipes from different horror movies, all the way from the 1920s, all the way to current times. It's very dope. That is the coolest shit ever, Poppy. What the hell? I love cooking. A little cookbook from horror movies? No way. Fucking amazing. Danny Mid. All I gotta say, twin. Work. That was killing me, dude. He's like, yeah, no, that movie's ass. Don't watch that movie. Well, there you go, Danny. You have an idea of what the movie you're in tail for, but, you know, still, get some popcorn. Watch the flick. You know it's that time for a year when the Pepper Norton are back on the market. Supermarket LOL. I'm going to learn Dutch just so I can talk with y'all. Wait, Topstep doing what? Topstep is fucking limiting our traders, bub. But not Topstep specifically, no. I think I misread your message, Eli. You said next week, but I think you meant that's just a news. I don't know. I think I got confused there. 7 more likes. Come on. Yo, we have a goal for 40 likes, family. We're at 33, which is crazy. Put a like up for the Halloween stream. Ending the week on a crazy good vibe, even though we are now officially probably done with Topstep. Maybe, just maybe. Hocus Pocus for the kids. Hey, Hocus Pocus is a great flick. No doubt about it, Max. Bad Santa. One of the best movies around. That is a fucking hilarious movie. That's almost time for that movie too, Sob. It's almost getting to that season, that holiday vibe. For real, let me know some good movies. My girl doesn't like scary movies. Like I said, King, you should watch. If she doesn't like scary ones, but she wants to be in the Halloween vibes, you should go Nightmare Before Christmas. The scary movies are really funny and kind of like a troll. The Scream movies are kind of like not super scary. But there's a lot of comedies, a lot of stuff out there. I really don't understand how they can say that to protect the traders. It's obvious that the small prop drawdown means your probability of blowing before passing is very high. I do not understand, newbie, how they're gonna limit so many different things about the accounts. How many contracts, your sizing on the accounts, how many accounts you can use, consistency rule, all this bullshit, drawdown, all these things, and then they're still not going to let you play within those rules. They make a rule book, you're playing within the rule book, and then they're like, no, you did not read the fine print, boy. Oh, okay. Whatever, fuck you, Topstep. But then following the odds, you'll get to the payouts if you can do even decently trade. Just can't run out of money first, LOL. Even if you can even decently trade, just can't run out of money first. That's the game, newbie. I say it, Queen. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, did it suck that bad? Dan, he didn't like it. What's Topstep doing? I don't know, King. I just saw that new movie, One Battle After Another. It's mad good. Best movie I've seen in a very long time. Saw the new movie, One Battle After Another. Okay, so there you go. There you go, TLR. I haven't even heard of that one, but that one sounds pretty good. Yes, Max Danny knows. Topstep has been limiting traders, Eli. Wait, you really don't know, King? Look at this, Eli. If you really don't know, I'll explain it. We got the Focus Trader program. So if you overtrade, essentially, which, by the way, they said they send out warnings. I didn't get a warning. And I know a couple people that did get a warning. I didn't even get a warning. But essentially, because you've created 20 XFAs in the last 90 days, you let me do 5 at a time. That's only 4 attempts in the last 3 months. Fucking a joke. 20 simulated accounts lost in a single day of trading in the last 90 days. Which means that which isn't even true. This is not even true. Actually, that one might be true, honestly. That one might be true. Yeah, that one might be true. Over the period of 3 months, I bet that's probably pretty accurate. But it's still bullshit. Because why the fuck are you giving me rules but not letting me trade? Almost getting tapped into our NQ short at the VWAP. Are we going to get teased here or actually get our fill? Let's find out. I feel left out, Danny and Max. They got the combo. Good morning, King. Had a morning appointment, so checking late. May take a trade, may not. Just wanted to say thank you since I added the 90 EMA to my trade confirmations, trading better and with more confidence. Let's go, Corey. W fucking message, man. That means the most, King. Congratulations. I love that you're finding a little bit more consistency and confidence in the charts. That's all I can fucking hope to give, bro. WU, man. If you don't take a trade today, no worries, King. Happy Halloween. Enjoy the week. End the week on a good vibe. Appreciate you for being here. Sorry, Saucy. We have Sinterklaas on the 5th of December, and that comes with pepper and elote, but they will put them in the supermarkets as soon as August comes around, LOL. Oh yeah, they got to make their monies. Load back up, bro, and let's get it. Exactly, Pat. One day at a time, King. Get fried before watching it. Recommendation. The best recommendation work. You mean I'm going to go to the movie sober? What? What are we doing? I'm still long on NQ. I'm up 150 on a long. Let's go. Let's go, Deontay. I'm starting to look for shorts at this VWAP, so be cautious, King, but I hope it keeps playing out for you. Put your break even on and let it ride, King, if you're not trying to get out right now. Otherwise, I'd get out right now if you're not going to let break even play. Do both of you guys know any other languages? Speaking the Dutch. Speak French, too. Let's go. Very dope. I got to learn some more languages. Just got my new car today. Just wanted to pop in and say thank you. You gave me the motivation to grind. Much love, King. Hey, Mo. You give me that type of message right there gives me the motivation, King. I appreciate it. Congratulations on the new whip, bro. Hell yeah. New man, new car. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. Happy Halloween. Dude gets a new little whip. They only sent that email to you? No, Eli. A couple people. I know another person that's gotten it. Matrix said that he's gotten the warning email. So They're just kicking people out that essentially are profitable. If you're making money and you're doing accounts too big at a time, if you're doing 5 sets or sets of 5 too often because you have money and you're successful, they're gonna probably ban you. Yeah, because they want to protect their monies. They want to protect their monies. You know what I'm saying? They want to protect their dollars, and I get it. I'm not upset with them, but it's bullshit. Seeing if we can get a little reaction here at the VWAP on the NASDAQ. If we can get a little love, a little support, it'd be nice. Push back towards this range maybe, see what happens. My buddy got shut off for a month after blowing like 25 combines in 10 days. That's pretty crazy. Oh, damn. Light bluish. Hey. Ah. I think they only send it out to the people who took out more than 10K. Sus. That is sus, Maxi. You know what? I get it. They got to protect their business, but it's a little bit bullshit. He wasn't allowed to open a new account for 30 days. That's basically where I'm at. I mean, I have these active accounts right now, so they're letting me trade them. But once these are gone, I'm cooked. Once those are gone, I'm cooked. So once those go, we are cooked. Y'all, we're only going to be here for a couple more minutes, family. It is Halloween, so probably just a best thing to step aside from the markets. Let the market do what it's going to do today. Enjoy the vibe. Enjoy the weekend. Celebrate with the loved ones. I got about another 15 minutes here. Well, it look like we might get stopped out of our our short here on the NASDAQ. You know what I'm actually going to do on this trade, which y'all are going to disagree with, but I'm going to put this slightly above just a swing high over here. That's it. Just a swing high. I want to see the EMA reaction here. That's all. And, yeah, see what happens. Just above that little swing high over here. Give ourselves a little bit more chance. I want to see the EMA touching into the bottom of this, and then I think we find some selling. Otherwise, I'm wrong, and I'm okay with it. It's weird you could open these 5. It's super weird I could open these 5. That's wild. After they just introduced reactivation fee on the live accounts. It's just so... It's a little bit sus, in my opinion, Eli. I think they're just literally stopping people from making money. Well, then don't let them go. Hold on to these ones. Hold on to the last little ones tight. Just try to, like, death grip them so they don't ever leave us. No, we're not scared. If we lose them, we lose them. We move on to new props. No big deal. People that deserve our money that aren't going to limit us. Let's go. Tradeify sucks because of consistency rule. Yeah, Eli, everyone's kind of got their own bullshit. But, hey, we're traders. We're professionals. We adapt. We're literally professional adapters. We can just flip on a dime, and that's what we got to do here. You're wrong on Nas. Don't say that. Come on. Support this. We got to get a push back through here. NASDAQ drop, then buyers hold it. If then reverse from that, you can see sellers weak from buyers get more. I am only going to be convinced that the buyers are strong if they maintain this VWAP. Otherwise, I think this is just us pushing up through. I'm not convinced yet. NASDAQ drop, the buyers. They might do you like they did my friend. Let him trade the combines, pass, trade the XFAs to payouts, and then denied his payouts for 4 of the... Newbie, that is a horror story. If they let me trade these accounts, activate them, pass them, and then they take my payout and deny it, I feel like I fucked up. I feel like I shouldn't have even given them the last $750. I feel like they're gonna oh, your account is locked, and once I get these accounts, they're gonna be like, which I'm gonna tell you guys right fucking now. Okay, you guys hear me? You're on live with me. If they let me reinstate these accounts and then they don't let us trade them to XFAs, I'm gonna get a refund back or fucking spaz on these people. That would be so nasty, Danny, if that actually happened like that. They just refunded his fees on the other accounts. Okay, at least they'll refund my shit. They better. My activation fees, my expense fees, everything. This is ass for sure. Thought we were going to drop after trading out of the IB low. Looking for like other chop inside this range today. I think we are chopping. It's Friday. Halloween. I think we're just going to be a little choppy. Both markets. Everything is chopping. We'll hear about you on the news. Yeah, Julissa, you will. I'll be outside Topstep headquarters with like pickets and like I'll be out there boycotting. That's a message from God to switch to my funded futures. Trust me, King. I only trade Topstep is because I had the 3 XFAs. Now I'm fully stacked with MFFU. I think we're gonna switch over to MFF. I really, really, truly do. They better let me trade these last little attempts with these 150 XFAs, and then if it doesn't work, I'm moving on, and that should be our relationship. They should let me try one more time. This is what this last attempt is, and they should give me my money back. That's the message. We'll contact them. Don't worry about it. Nothing's happened yet. Nothing's happened yet. Exactly. Nothing's happened yet, Pat. Let's just get these passed. Let's get these passed first and foremost, and then we'll have something to worry about. Who are you switching to on prop firms? I think either TPT, Eli, Take Profit Trader, maybe MFF, My Funded Futures, maybe Apex, Lucid. I like Lucid a little bit. I like that they still trade the thing. That 80-20 split, though. I know, Queen. 80-20 split's ass, but at least we're in there. Yo, good trade, Deontay. I hope you're still in this long, buddy. Pushing up now. Looks like we're about to get stopped out of our trade, so there it is. Got kicked out of the can there. They just refunded his fees on the other accounts. Yeah, at least they did that. Nothing matters, but XRP, I got 23 coins. That's going to make me rich. 20. Let's go. Come on, Sobs. XRP to 10 fucking thousand, baby. What broker to use with MFF? Is it Tradeovate? I'm guessing. I'm not sure, Corey. We're going to have to spend some time. I got to learn now, King. We got to readjust traders. We got to be adaptable. Readjust into what we're used to. Look at this fucking ew. I've never seen anything so fucking round in my life. Look at this thing. Look at how round this is. Once you're in TPT Pro Plus, you're chilling. Tradeovate. Okay, yeah, so it's Tradeovate. Take Profit Trader has a consistency score once you go live. Ugh. Everyone's got their own issues. Cup and handle incoming, maybe. Maybe Sobs. Pull back into the VWAP. It could be an opportunity. Maybe. 80-20 sucks, but it's so fucking cheap. Plus no activation. That's a pretty good deal if you're asking me. 80-20 isn't bad with no activation. I agree. MFF isn't too bad. Do they have a scaling plan in MFF? That's what I mentioned when to see buyers hold. Yeah, you're right, Amy. I wanted to see a reaction to the VWAP. Never got it. Classic V pattern on the 5. Let's go. Maybe pull back into the VWAP. Hey, Ty, try funded next. I use Quantower. I might, Pobby. You use Quantower? Okay, newbie. Quick long off that bounce off VWAP. If we got a nice pull into it, I think I would try it, Danny. You also use Quantower, Mo? I like that. So Quantower and MFF, huh? Oh, yeah, I almost forgot. They paid me, Ty. Let's go! Newbie! Congratulations! They better be paying you, Queen. They absolutely better be. Love to hear it, Queen. I hate Apex. The software to trade is hard. I couldn't even get candles on gold. Yeah, I mean... Everyone, we're gonna have issues with every single prop we try, family, but we are professionals. We adapt, and we'll be fine. We will be completely fine. Yo, there are 42 amazing individuals watching the stream right now. We had a goal to hit 40 for the Halloween stream. This is Halloween. If you have not yet, hit the like button, show some love. Let's get to that goal. We're gonna be getting out of here pretty soon. Enjoying the vibes, enjoying the spooky vibes of the day, family. Who's cheap? MFF, Eli. Anyone in here using TPT copy trading 5 on Tradeovate and ever get their risk settings to work on copy trading? I think Maxi uses TPT with 5 accounts, Corey. Apex is I hate the trailing drawdown. I know, but also you only have to get scalps. So you can trade 20 accounts, and you just need to get just a little base hit. Wonder when Apex drops to 90% again. Whenever they do, Danny, we're going to go take from them. Trailing drawdown sucks. It is hard, Mo. Exactly, that's why I use them. Plus, I can't use Apex in Bahrain. Dang, that okay. Well, that makes more sense. That's a whole different type of restriction, Mo. L trailing drawdown, definitely. Not going to be easy, but we are adaptable. Brackets don't work on Trade-A-Bait when copy trading. Excuse me. What the fuck does that even mean, Danny? So that if I put like a bracket order, my stop loss and my profit won't be put in the other accounts? That sounds super sus. Ty giving accounts like it's candy this Halloween. Let's go. Yes, family. Yes, we're going to do 2 account giveaways. Giving some account giveaways right now. Actually, almost forgot about that. Thank you, Pobby. There's 47 amazing people here watching. Let's do account giveaways for hitting 1,000 subscribers. We finally got over that. The community's building. The community's growing. 6 more likes. Smash it. We need to hit that likes before we give the account giveaways. Let's get those 6 likes. We're right there, family. You got an error when copy trading. You get an error. Dang, having to manually do it is wild. That's wild. Absolutely crazy. Giveaway wheel, baby. Bow, 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 bow. Oh, stop it. Giveaway wheel, baby. Bow, 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 bow. If you guys have not yet hit the like button, we're trying to get to 40, and we're going to be giving away 2 accounts. What account should we be giving away, family? What account should we be giving away for hitting the 1,000 subs? You guys are amazing. Thank you for even making this a possibility, joining this community, making something really useful so we can all benefit as traders. How do you win the giveaway? I'm 100 away from like my 12th funded account. How do you win the giveaway? It's just you're just by being here, Daiquiri. Just by being a king, by being in here. Just by being in here. Give away free subscriptions to your OF. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe to the blue. 150k's. Topstep. No, subs. We're not giving away Topstep accounts. Christian Salazar, what's your main A+ strategy? Welcome in, King. First time I think I've seen your name. We have mostly it's going to be outside edges. So we're going to look for outside edges and then a retest. So like right here, if this was an outside edge, we wouldn't take this order right away. We'd wait till price kind of retested it, and then we take that retest there. Outside edge with leverage, kind of add with one contract, and we'll start adding into it. All right, beautiful people. There's 48 watchers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of this community. Happy Halloween, family. We're going to get all these names updated. Actually, a lot of these are accurate. I love it. Wildflower isn't in here, so we'll leave it up, though. I haven't seen Dream League in a while, so we're going to take him out of here. Only have people that are in here right now. So sorry, Wildflower. Got to go to Queen. Haven't seen. He's not in here. Stigma's not in here. Boop, no. Gani, no. Caesar's in here. Oh, I spelled your name wrong, Caesar. Caesar. Pineapple. I don't think Pineapple's in here. Pobby is in here, though. Pablo. Pobby, baby. Pobby. Daiquiri, you're going to be in here. Maxie's in here. This homie's not here, I don't believe. Emil's not here, I don't believe. Keith is here. Juan's here. Jared. Jay's here. I think, actually. Actually, it's just Jay. Saucy for sure. Nassim, are you here? Amy's here. Bum 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 bum. Corey. Me, I'm in here. Yes, you are. Oh, there's Max. I already have you in there twice. Eli, I already have you on there, King. I'm actually here every day. I just never comment. I see you, Robbie. No worries, King. Welcome in, bub. Welcome to the family, King. Daiquiri, got to add you in there. Sunny. Only want people that are actually here so y'all can have a good chance. Miguel. Let's go, family. I miss Dave. I haven't seen him in a while. TLR, dude. I'm not in yet, I don't think. Got to put our queen in there. What are we doing, Danny? Look at you. Go right up to the top. What am I doing? Missing the queen. Wani, you better be in here. Yes, you are. Keith is in here. Shiro, Futures Trader. I am new to the community. Welcome in, Futures Trader. Thanks for joining the section, King. Welcome to the family. So where are we at? We're at Dude, Envo. So this is going to be TLR. Do I already have TLR? I do. Who do I not have in here? Futures Trader. Who else? Shiro for sure. Let's go, family. Sobs. Oh.